Hey, welcome to my newest listing here at number 1 Village Drive, located in the condominium complex known as the Village of Twin Brooks. This is a 55 and over community, and there's only 18 units throughout this entire complex. It's beautifully landscaped. It's so convenient because we're just like a mile from the Trumbull Center, and we're just a short stone's throw away from the Merritt Parkway. You know, somebody very lucky is going to be the owner of this condominium soon, and I'll show you why. Come outside. I love this place. It's so spacious. I mean, there's over 3,200 square feet. As soon as I walk in, I just noticed the tall ceilings and the crown and chair rail moldings, the gas fireplace, the gleaming hardwood floors. Wow, look at this kitchen. Tons of oak cabinetry, great counter space, tiled backsplashes. Again, the hardwood floors go throughout. More cabinet space back here. Recessed lighting, moldings. What a great kitchen. Huge dining area as well. So besides the living room, we also have a family room, again with a second gas fireplace, and you've got doors that go out to the wood deck. This can also substitute as a first floor primary bedroom because there's a full bathroom right here as well. So with a little bit of carpentry, you can have a first floor primary suite. That's why they put the first floor master bath in, because they were planning on maybe someday down the road. So here on the upper level, I mean, you've got 2 really spacious bedrooms. This is where the primary is, with a huge walk-in closet and a really spa bathroom. You also have a loft over here that they're using as an office area. So here I am in the primary bedroom bath. Big, huge soaking tub, double sink vanity, and a separate shower stall, fully tiled. Really nice. So if the 2,500 square feet upstairs wasn't enough, we have professionally finished living space down here. 750 square feet of it. Great for a rec room, playroom, exercise room, just extra space. Fantastic. And there's also storage in the other room, a big storage area. So thank you for coming on this tour of number 1 Village Drive here at the Village of Twin Brooks. If you want more information or if you want a private tour, shoot me a text or give me a call at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Great condo. Thanks for coming on the tour. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great rest of your day.